Hello friend, welcome to my channel. Today I am going to make khao pun. Khao pun gonna be like noodle, Lao noodle soup. Okay, this is ingredient. This one, ginger, finger root, we call kasai, and this one, lemongrass, hot pepper, and kalanga. Or I blend them all together, and gonna be fish, guys. And make khao pun fish, mackerel fish. Okay, let's go start it. Okay, let's go start it. First, to show you this water, like 3/4, 1 gallon. I use 3/4 because I want to make the eat 2-3 days. And let's go start it. First, I'm gonna put the herb down here first. Okay, the herb, ginger, hot pepper, kalanga all together, or lemongrass. Okay, lemongrass, hot pepper. This is finger root, is a kasai. This one, ginger. I ground them. All the herbs go down here, make the soup like a medicine. Alright, everything in the pot right now. Okay, I'm gonna go ahead and put fish in here. Put all of them in here. Last 2 mackerel fish right here. You know, eat mackerel fish is better than anything else because they have oil, and then you can get vitamin E from them. Okay, this is my ingredient: chicken broth powder, sugar, salt, fish sauce, and padek, Lao fish sauce. Okay, let's go start. Okay, first start, I'm gonna use Lao fish sauce right here. About one big spoon, and right here. Sugar about 1 spoon. 1 spoon first. And chicken broth powder, 1 big spoon. 2. Salt, 1 spoon first. And fish sauce, 2 spoons first. Not enough, we always fix it. There you go. Okay, let them boil right now. Okay, little turmeric. Turmeric is good for you. Everybody knows turmeric, so I just go ahead and put the half spoon. See that? The soup boiling right now. Look at this. All the herb. This is medicine food, okay? Okay, the fish cooking now. I'm gonna go ahead and take the fish out. I'm gonna take all out, all the fish out of the pot. Okay. Okay, take all the fish out from the pot. Then I'm gonna take out the bone. Okay, this is my mackerel fish. I take all the bone, only the meat, only fillet, no more bone right now. Okay, guys, I'm gonna go ahead and drop to the soup. Okay, I'm gonna go ahead and drop to the soup. Alright, so all the fillet right now, no more bone. So here I'm gonna go smash right here. Make the smash like a, you know, ground them, but I ground them really rough ground. Okay. Okay, I smashed this fish already. Okay, let's go put in the pot. Halfway, just rough, just put in there like that. Halfway, like that. But this one right here, I'm gonna go ahead and put it, all of this in here back to the pot. This medicine food, guys. All the herb we call namya medicine. Okay, everything in right now. Okay, let me taste. Oh wow, so good. Alright, so good. When I cook, I need to make a deep taste. Put more fish sauce. Okay, that's it. Taste again. Perfect. Okay, the soup's already done. Okay, that's it. Turn it off. Now I'm gonna go ahead and cook the noodle. I have to show you. This is my papaya. I'm gonna make eat with the khao pun noodle soup. papaya gonna be my best vegetable. Okay, I'm going up to clean. Got to show you, I put the noodle in the water, boiling 8 minutes. Okay guys, time to eat my ข้าวปุ้นกันแล้วมะคุงกันแล้วน้ำข้าวปุ้นปลาแดกเด้อข้าวปุ้น this is the medicine soup, noodle soup. Okay, let's go start it. Alright, look at this.